because I really wanted to show you. So I'll be back when I get a little bit more. Okay, guys, I got the main knife thing. It was really hard. So yeah, but you know, sorry. This one is an actual knife. And this one's a saw. I got my dad a gift for Christmas. It's a blade sharpener, and he could actually sharpen these for me. So that's pretty cool. Okay, there's my Swiss knife. Bye guys, love you. See you tomorrow and Merry Christmas. Well, I might see you tomorrow, but tomorrow's Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas, today's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas if I don't see you tomorrow.
No, I forgot to.
Yeah, that's what she looks like. She's putting